China has just approved what will become the world's largest hydroelectric project, and what I'm about to tell you will change everything you thought you knew about mega infrastructure. Deep in Tibet's Yarlung Changpo Canyon, the world's deepest gorge, construction is about to begin on a dam that will generate 3 times more electricity than the legendary Three Gorges Dam. Think about that for a moment. The Three Gorges Dam was already a marvel of engineering. Now, multiply its power output by 3. That's what we're looking at here. This new mega dam will generate an estimated 60 gigawatts of electricity annually, equivalent to nearly 300 billion kilowatt hours, more than 3 times the output of China's iconic Three Gorges Dam, which produces 88.2 billion kilowatt hours annually, making it the most powerful hydroelectric dam ever built. Let's talk numbers. This beast will cost over 1 trillion yuan. That's $137 billion. That's more than the GDP of many countries, poured into a single project that will reshape not just Tibet's landscape, but potentially the future of Asia's water supply. The dam will be built on the Yarlung Changpo River, which originates in Tibet and later flows into India and Bangladesh as the Brahmaputra River. It's one of Asia's mightiest rivers, carrying enormous volumes of water through some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. What makes this location unique is that the river cuts through the world's deepest canyon, with an average depth of about 2,268 meters, or 7,440 feet. And at the deepest point, it reaches up to 6,009 meters, or 19,714 feet. To put that in perspective, that's more than twice the depth of the Grand Canyon. This natural gradient provides an unparalleled opportunity for harnessing hydropower. The engineering challenges here are unprecedented. Construction teams will be working at extreme altitudes in one of the world's most seismically active regions. They'll need to manage enormous water pressures while building in a canyon that sees some of mainland China's heaviest rainfall. Every aspect of this project pushes the boundaries of what we previously thought possible in dam construction. Construction teams will need to drill 4 to 6 tunnels, each stretching 12.4 miles or 20 kilometers through solid mountain rock. These tunnels will redirect half the river's flow, about 70,629 cubic feet, or 2,000 cubic meters of water every second. The teams will deal with extreme pressure differentials, working in a canyon where water flow varies dramatically between seasons due to snowmelt and monsoon rains. The geology adds another layer of complexity. The area contains 43 major landslide zones. Just one of these, the Motuo landslide, holds 25.6 million cubic meters of unstable earth. The dam must be engineered to withstand not just these geological hazards, but also significant seismic activity, as it's being built in one of the world's most earthquake-prone regions. Here, 9 out of 10 mountain cliffs have historically experienced collapse. The construction process itself requires unprecedented infrastructure. Teams are building high-quality mountain roads, establishing support facilities, and installing sophisticated seismic monitoring systems. They're also implementing cutting-edge water quality control measures to protect the ecosystem. To give you an idea of the scale, this single structure will produce more electricity than many countries' entire power grids. The engineering team must account for water pressures never before managed in dam construction, while building in a location where the river makes a dramatic U-turn around Namcha Barwa Mountain. The construction methods being developed here will likely revolutionize how we approach mega infrastructure projects in extreme environments. Every aspect of this dam's design must account for conditions that no other dam has ever faced, from the extreme altitude to the unprecedented water pressures to the complex geological formations. So, why is China pouring so much money into this? Well, there are 2 main reasons. First, China is on a mission to transition to renewable energy. As one of the world's largest carbon emitters, it has pledged to reach carbon neutrality by 2060. Projects like this are key to reducing its reliance on coal and other fossil fuels. Second, there's an economic angle. Hydropower projects like this one aren't just about electricity. They're also about jobs and long-term economic growth. By investing in infrastructure like this dam, China aims to boost its economy while securing its energy future.